Okay, so if there's one thing that I get asked about more often than not, it's how to cook the perfect omelette. Omelettes are pretty simple, and there's so many different varieties of omelettes. In fact, there's probably as many varieties of omelettes as there are pizzas. And today I'm going to make a Spanish omelette. Pretty much the same as any other omelette, only this is a bit bigger. It's got potatoes in it, it's got some onions in it and a few other bits and pieces, some cured meats even, if you like. And the one thing that a Spanish omelette has in common with every other omelette that you could make is that you're going to need to break some eggs. And there we are. So I've used 5 eggs in this, and what we're going to do is we're going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper to our egg mix, and we're going to set that aside while we cook our potatoes. So you're going to need to add about 15 ml or so of olive oil to a pan and get that nice and hot. And then what you need to do is you need to get your potatoes and you want to put them in that pan and basically just saute them off probably for about 15 to 20 minutes until they start going soft. And then you can add your spring onions then as well and let that cook for a further 5 minutes. And so as you can see, our omelette is pretty much cooked on the one side now, and what we've got is a preheated grill, and this is a great trick to save turning it over. Get that omelette under the grill and cook the other side for about 5 minutes at a nice high temperature.